And I enjoy it tremendously. I really enjoy it. It's just amazing. And not have to clean it all the time, that's a plus. And the guarantee for life, what more could you ask for? We had an old galvanized tub. Needed to be replaced because it just got nasty. You couldn't clean it. I like it more because of my age. Getting in and out of a bathtub for a shower just wasn't safe for me because I just felt like I was going to fall. I didn't want to fall. That would be no place to fall is in the shower. And when they told me they could get it done in 2 days, I was amazed. Oh, they were just wonderful. I mean, very, very conscious about how they handled everything. And the walls, they didn't want to damage nothing. I would love for people to know how good and how faithful they were about coming. They called before they come. They said, don't move nothing. We can work around it. They had to cut that old galvanized tub out of here. I thought, oh, how are they going to get that out? And he said, don't you worry, we'll get it out. No slip, no sliding. My little grandson liked our tub because he could slide in it. But, this is so much better and so much safer. Number one is safety of your life. And if you ever have company, you feel safe with them getting in your shower. They took everything out. They kept everything clean. They swept everything. They just were amazing, just amazing.